So actually, in the Nigerian culture, being the next of kin is a big flex because next of kin, lots of things have been passed down to you, all the family's wealth and all that. That's what it means in layman's English. So, Obi Cubana, Obi Cubana, the wealthy, the rich, the big, the Odogo, Obi Cubana, has 5 sons. Now, 4 of these sons are biologically his, and 1 is adopted. So, prior to now, we have been posting them as next of kin, and everybody is cool with that. Love and light. If that is what he wants, then it's okay. So, one of the first child, who is the adopted son, recently did one TikTok trend where he was raising his shoulder, it was like nothing to do, he just found out that he's the next of kin. And people are applauding him. Who wouldn't be? Who will shoulder if you are Obi Cubana's next of kin? However, Obi Cubana just debunks the news, just hours after the video was posted. He posted his picture with his actual first son and tagged it his next of kin. Now, what do you think of this? Do you think Obi Cubana was so quick to clap back, or do you think this is something that should be settled offline and not online? My name is Augustina. I'm with the Chronicle. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe, and please leave a comment.